back in May over the law, arguing that it violates First Amendment rights of users. Joining us now to discuss is Chris Pearson, founder and CEO of cybersecurity company BlackCloak. Chris, welcome.
Good morning. Good to be here.
First, take us back. Why is the government still trying to ban TikTok here?
So, ultimately, this law, the Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary-Controlled Applications, was passed in March of 2024. The government is able to control the use of TikTok and other apps on government-owned devices. But this law is really meant to designed to protect and prevent foreign espionage on U.S. citizens. It sweeps up all types of countries. In this case, right, TikTok would fall within that. Of course, a point that they dispute, as they are owned by parent company ByteDance out of the Cayman Islands. But essentially, this comes down to a government trying to prevent and protect citizens from foreign espionage, data misuse, and other privacy intrusions.
Some TikTok advocates and users argue the law violates their First Amendment rights. Are they right? And can TikTok prove that?
So I think this is going to be actually an interesting part of the argument in the case, and one that has an uphill battle for the U.S. government. So TikTok, in terms of proving that there's the government proving that there's a First Amendment rights issue here, it's going to have a big uphill battle. A lot of the different evidence that is actually in place has been blacked out by the government because it's claimed to be secret or top secret, which will not afford ByteDance the ability to actually argue against it. Plus, when you have 170 million Americans as users of TikTok that uses for free speech, pictures, and most importantly for business, once again, this puts a very high threshold on the courts and on the government to prove.
This is so big especially for businesses, as you mentioned. Is there a chance this makes its way all the way to the Supreme Court?
There's absolutely a strong case, that this makes it to the Supreme Court. You have a Fifth Amendment taking clause issue, you have a First Amendment rights issue, and you have some functional problems with the case itself in terms of ByteDance is actually registered in the Cayman Islands and claims that the data is actually stored within the Oracle Cloud, not within the remit of China. So you have a number of different issues here that are rife for exploration by this circuit court, as well as potentially by the Supreme Court.
And the oral arguments taking place just weeks before the November presidential election, do you anticipate today will influence young voters at all?
I don't know that this is going to be a major sway in the case. Right now, this seems to be a very, very functional case and functional argument for the company, as well as for some interested users that were there and present during the congressional process, right? A lot of Americans rely upon TikTok to go ahead and form their business, to do business online. This is one of their biggest sources of income. So it could be an issue in terms of protecting the rights of small business individuals. But once again, some countervailing balance there in terms of privacy and security.
And Chris Pearson, founder and CEO of cybersecurity company BlackCloak, we thank you for joining us.
Thank you.